21 years of dedicated service, Engineer Steve Hill is retiring from the Olathe Fire Department. Whether he was teaching future firefighters at JCCC, helping launch the Olathe West Fire Program, leading CERT, blowing off the front apron with his trusty leaf blower, or making sure his fire engine sparkled, Steve always took pride in the job. Congratulations, Steve-O. Enjoy retirement, and remember, someone else has to polish now.
Congratulations, Engineer Hill.
Congratulations, Steve. Car 54, Olathe West Public Safety.
Congrats, Hill. Engine 58.
Congrats, Steve. Engine 52.
Congrats, Steve. Truck 52.
Congrats, Steve-O. Rescue 51, Truck 51.
Congrats, Steve. Hazmat 52.
Congrats, Steve. Squad 54.
Congrats, Steve-O. Engine 57. Well done, brother.
Congrats, Steve. Engine 55.
Happy for you, Steve-O. Engine 59.
Congrats, Steve, from Medic 11.
Congrats, Steve. Medic 1124.